Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A95 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so the content that I want to capture is already visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you do want to capture on the screenshot is actually visible right now. Once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll get the sound along with the pop-up and option to capture a longer version of a screenshot and share it. Now there is also most likely another pop-up that you have seen right now in your case, which allows you to capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. So to demonstrate it, all you need to do is just do this. 3-finger on the screen, swipe down, and it captures it. Once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application. So I'm going to open that up. And you want to navigate into the library, and here you'll find album called Screenshots. And in said album, you will find strictly screenshots, all of them that I have captured over the time of using this device. And for me, there's only 2. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.